So on the train to London, I put on some stickers on my nails. They were plain before, so I put these stickers on. I think I'm meant to put a top coat on it, which if I have time still on the train, I will do it because we only have like half an hour left, right? Or maybe less than that. Anyway, so we're excited to go to London. Might be hot. Do we have a fan?
It's okay. It's hungry.
You're just hungry. Yeah, we left the house without having any breakfast. So we're going to a food festival, which is in Canary Wharf. Let's go get all the food we can. Why are you so stretched? You're at the side of the screen. You're so stretched. Okay, see you later. He has a poster that he's bringing to Belgium. Turn around. Okay?
Why, is it an outfit check?
Yeah. Good enough.
Is it a trend to bring a poster?
No, you're too smart for the trends. Congratulations, Dr. Carr. Let's go, let's go. We are now at Canary Wharf. The last time I came here was for work. So this time we're coming here for food. Wait, there are people barbecuing on the river. Arrived at the Urban Garden Fair. We're gonna go and find some lunch and look at some trinkets. Odds and ends. Which one you want? You want this one? Okay.
What about you?
I might get this one.
Oh, you want the raw tea?
Oh yeah, I can also.
What's that?
So for our first meal, we got this imitation shark fin soup. This is actually my setup right now. I have this screen, and then I have this magnetic, and my phone is so heavy. Are you enjoying yourself?
It's nice.
Nice, right?
板球 XO 炒粉肠，它是很像气象粉呀，可是是炒的。
This is a cold udon, and we got a tamago yaki sando with unagi inside. 10
Let's
pounds.
see the food. 那个是什么？道教。
So cute, these are stickers. Thank you so much. Thank you. So that's Milo dinosaur matcha, and we also got uji matcha basque cheesecake
With gold flakes on top.
with gold flakes on top. So this matcha is £6 and the cake is £6 as well?
Yeah, it's £7.
£7. Fancy.
It's very subtle.
It's very subtle.
But on a hot day, this is a very refreshing.
I like subtle.
I think normally at home I make it very concentrated.
Yeah, I was used to how you make yours already.
The cake is good.
Look at such cool candles. We got the pandan and the coffee flavored candles.
Kopitiam.
Kopitiam flavored candles. We also got this nice rice. Rice? Yeah.
Jasmine rice.
Did I cut my hair too short again?
I think it's okay. It's good, like it's not covering it. A bit longer will be covering.
I always cut my bangs so short the day before I want to go travel. And for our final stop, we got a luro fan. Nice?
Too much mushroom.
Too much mushrooms. Hey tea. It's Wimbledon tennis themed. This is strawberries and cream jasmine tea. Why is this straw so long?
Let's see what the heart is about. I can taste it. It's really
Sorry.
good.
Nice.
Worth the hype. Worth the wait.
God, same color. So we came by to Machado, nearby King's Cross Station, to get a hojicha, and now we're gonna head back to King's Cross St. Pancras Station and catch the Eurostar. Alright, that's all for this vlog. See you in the next one. Okay, back into the sun. So hot.
It's nice to have the ice cream.